Hi all, I am back and this is evening time at Badok station. As you know, I am staying here. So you can see the railway tracks and the signal is down. That means there is a down train which is from Shimla to Kalka going to come through, and if the time permits during our video, I'll show if the train comes through. I'll try to capture that. You can see there's a lot of hustle and bustle by the tourists and some of the locals here. There's a badminton court here and some of the locals are having some fun time here, enjoying. The children are playing. You can see there are small homes which are just, you can see the path going up there, up the hill where they stay, and they are actually having some really good time. Probably it's a Saturday and they are having some good time. Tomorrow is a Sunday, it's a holiday. So as we move forward, you can see there's a green valley all around, lot of trees. You can see this entire station is completely surrounded by the fir, the deodars, the pines. Beautiful arrangement in terms of the view of the station. So you can see there are people who are just sitting on the side of the tracks, maybe having some fun time, calling people, having a cup of tea. And then there is a shop, a restaurant that serves tea, snacks, and it is just waiting for that train to come to sell its wares. Let's go and have maybe a word with the shopkeeper and check how the things are going and what are they selling. I'll just try to show that as we move forward. There's the small tea shop. They are selling samosas, cutlets. अंकल खाने में क्या क्या है एक बार बताएंगे प्लीज?
खाने में बताइए इनको।
खाने में ये ब्रेड पकौड़ा वगैरह,
अरे आपका वीडियो बन रहा है।
ब्रेड पकौड़ा का समोसा का कटलेट होगा, बिस्कुट
और चाय भी है?
चाय बिस्कुट चिप्स।
हम लोग दोनों दिल्ली से आए हैं। हाय हाय।
Hello. So you can see that there are tourists who are enjoying a cup of tea in the evening at Badok station.
Yes, very beautiful place.
Thank you. And people can enjoy some snacks, some packed ones, and the other ones are like samosas, cutlets. Cutlets are the unique product, or the way it is like a hot selling product out here. Then you can see some of the other station staff is also here. One of them is doing a yoga. He's taking some rest. Let's move forward. This is the refreshment room, and here you can see some cutlets are on the table right here to be sold once the train comes through, and some sandwiches, and another vendor man who is just waiting for the train to come. Here's another cart which sells some other wares like chole bhature and chole kulche. Is not available at this time. And this is the signal room from where the track change and the signal is given. You can see that it's a beautifully built. Year written here is August 1958. You can see that, and the person will go up there and put in the key and change the signal, and the signal will go up or down from here. Just behind, if we go behind the signal room, you can see some beautiful views out here, and one can actually hear the sound of a stream, and I'm not sure if somebody can see or not. There's some stream. I'll just try to zoom in here. There's a stream which is, you can just hear it, and there it is. You can see in the background the Badok tunnel, the famous one, the longest tunnel on the entire Kalka Shimla track. You can just see a glimpse of it. It's 1 mile, more than 1 mile rather, and one can actually walk through it with permission from the station master, station superintendent. So coming back to the station, you can see this is the facade of the station, and this is the refreshment room. On the left side there are retiring rooms. We are also staying in one of them, which I will capture later. You can see some of the beautiful trees, flowering trees, Araucaria, the Christmas tree, famous Christmas tree, and the height of the Christmas tree you can see. More to come in my next video, as I have a 5-minute